Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to design a website but felt overwhelmed by where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to design a web page in Figma quickly and efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll see just how easy it is to build out a stylish website, even if you're short on time or new to Figma. Let's jump right in and get started. So the first thing to keep in mind is that designing a website from scratch can be a pretty big project. It takes time to figure out layouts, colors, fonts, and all those little details that make a website look polished. But here's the good news. Figma has a fantastic feature that can really speed things up for you: templates. These templates are like ready-made blueprints. They're professionally designed, and you can use them as a foundation to jumpstart your own web project. All right, let's open up Figma. Once you're in, look for the template section. It's usually on the starting dashboard, and you'll notice there are all sorts of categories, including web design. The beauty of using a template is that someone else has already put in hours of work arranging headers, footers, image blocks, and so on. All you have to do is pick one that fits the vibe or style you're aiming for. Don't stress too much about finding the perfect match. You can always tweak almost everything later. For now, just pick a design that catches your eye. Once you click on a template, you might see a bit of a loading screen. This can take anywhere from a couple of seconds to half a minute, depending on your internet connection and the size of the template, so don't worry if it doesn't pop up immediately. Maybe grab a sip of coffee. When it finishes loading, you'll be inside the template project and you'll see a full website layout stretched out right in front of you. Now, this is where the fun really starts. Take a moment to scroll through and look over all the different sections the designer included, things like navigation menus, hero sections with big images, feature highlights, testimonial carousels, and contact forms. This gives you an insight into how a website is structured. Think of it as looking behind the curtain of a magic trick. You get to see all the pieces that make a site look great. The next step is infusing your own personality into the design. With Figma, personalizing the template is super intuitive. Click on any bit of text and you can rewrite it to suit your brand or project. Swap out the images. Just select them, hit Replace Image, and upload your own photos or logos. You can adjust the colors, fonts, button styles, you name it. This is like rearranging furniture in a room someone else decorated. The bones are there, but you make it truly yours. Remember, don't feel pressured to get everything perfect right away. Making little tweaks, experimenting, and seeing what looks good is part of the creative process. And if you delete something accidentally, there's always the handy undo button waiting for you. As you move things around, you'll get much more comfortable with Figma's interface. And that's it, you've now learned how to design a website in Figma using templates. This method saves you loads of time, and it's also a fantastic way to study great design by seeing real examples in action. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or areas you want to learn more about. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks so much for watching and happy designing.